Hi, I'm Toby with Woodiwiss Painting, and I wanted to talk to you about spring cleaning. One of the things that we come across a lot is people that have their kitchen cabinets that look a little dingy and dirty, and one thing you can do is get a terry towel and hot water and wipe them down. You would be amazed at what can come off with just a terry towel, hot water, and some elbow grease. If the outside of your house is looking a little bit dusty and dirty, grab your hose or power washer and rinse it off. Same thing with your deck. You would be amazed what that layer of dirt is covering up, and it's going to make your home or deck look new again. Be careful with that power washer. If you get a little bit too crazy, you could take off some material, and the worst thing you could do is hurt yourself, take off a piece of your finger. Those suckers are heavy duty, so be careful with that. If it's looking a little bit worse than that after you're washing or wiping your cabinets down, give us a call. We'd love to come out, take a look at your project, and find out how we can give you the paint job of your dreams on your cabinets, make your home look brand new again, or get that deck looking tip-top for that fun barbecue you're gonna have with your friends. I'm Toby with Woodiwiss Painting, and this has been Spring Tips. Have a great day.